In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in San Jose. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to make sure your payment is recorded properly. First, open your browser and go to the official Superior Court of California, County of Santa Clara website. This is the court that handles San Jose traffic citations. On the homepage, look for the traffic section, then choose Pay Ticket. This takes you to the court's e-payment system, which is the correct and secure place to pay your citation online. Next, a quick note about timing. After you receive a ticket, it can take several days and sometimes even a couple of weeks before it appears in the court's online system. The court usually mails a courtesy notice that lists your fine amount and due date, but you don't have to wait for it to try looking up your case. If you already have your citation number, you can check online at any time to see if it has been posted. When you're ready to look up your ticket, have your citation number in front of you. Enter it exactly as it appears on your ticket. Once submitted, the system will display your case details and your current payment amount. If nothing shows up, it may mean the ticket isn't in the system yet, so try again later. Before you pay, take a moment to review what the system shows. Confirm the violation type, like speeding or a red light signal infraction. Check the total fine, which the court often calls the bail amount. Most importantly, verify the due date so you avoid late penalties. Make sure the information matches your ticket and that the case truly belongs to you. When everything looks correct, proceed to pay online. Click Pay Now or e-payment and enter your credit or debit card information carefully. Be aware that the court's processor may add a convenience fee of around 5% for online payments. Double check your card number, expiration date, and billing zip code to avoid declined transactions, and wait for the page to finish processing so you don't submit twice. Finally, save your confirmation. Download the receipt or take a clear screenshot that shows the date, amount, and confirmation number. Keep it somewhere you can easily find later in case you need proof of payment. That's it. You've used the official Santa Clara County Court portal to locate your case, verify the details, pay securely, and keep a record for your files.